food storage container are offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits, and prices. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the top food storage container from trustworthy brands to assist you in making a decision. After extensive investigation, I discovered these goods to benefit people like you. If you're curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Without further ado, let's watch the video.
Number 1.
Your ingredients deserve better, and you deserve a pantry that inspires calm, not clutter. It's time to experience the difference. Introducing the Rubbermaid Brilliance 16-cup Airtight Food Storage. That click is the sound of a 100% airtight, leak-proof seal. It's the sound of your flour, sugar, oats, and coffee beans staying perfectly fresh for longer. No more waste, no more pantry pests. This is optimal food storage. It's effortless. The crystal clear, stain-resistant design means you see exactly what you have at a glance. The 16-cup size is perfect for a standard bag of flour or sugar. Its modular, stackable shape transforms cluttered shelves into a streamlined, beautiful pantry.
Number 2.
Introducing the Rubbermaid Brilliance Food Storage Container Set. These aren't just any containers. They're a promise of freshness, clarity, and absolutely zero leaks. Crafted from crystal clear, BPA-Free Triton plastic, they look like glass but are lightweight and shatter-resistant. And say goodbye to stubborn spaghetti stains. Brilliance containers are stain and odor-resistant, keeping them looking new use after use. Simply lift the latches to open the unique vents and you can microwave with the lid on. No more messy splatters, no more paper towel covers, just perfectly heated food every single time. This set of 5 3.2-cup containers is the ideal size for hearty lunches, weekly meal prep, and saving those precious leftovers. Their modular design stacks perfectly, bringing beautiful order to your fridge and pantry.
Number 3.
Vtopmart is designed for your busy lifestyle. Meal prep on Sunday and take your containers straight from the freezer to the microwave for a quick lunch at the office. You can even bake in them in the oven. And when you're done, just pop the container and the lid right into the dishwasher for an effortless cleanup. They're BPA-free, completely safe, and the crystal clear glass means you always know what's inside. Stop guessing and start grabbing. Upgrade your kitchen and your lunch break. Search for Vtopmart 8-pack glass food storage containers on Amazon. Vtopmart. Store, heat, and eat with confidence.
Number 4.
It's time to get organized with the Snapware Total Solution 16-piece food storage set. This is the answer to effortless meal prep and a tidy kitchen. Inside, you'll find 8 durable, BPA-free containers. You get 4 versatile 2-cup round containers, perfect for main courses like salads or pasta, and 4 1.2-cup rounds, ideal for sides, snacks, or portion control. The real magic is in the lids. Each one features 4 locking tabs. When you hear that confident snap, you know you have an airtight and leak-proof seal. Say goodbye to messy commutes and hello to food that stays fresher longer. And the convenience is unmatched. These containers are built for your busy life. They're microwave safe for quick and easy reheating, just vent the lid, and when you're done, they're top rack dishwasher safe for effortless cleanup.
Number 5.
There's a better way to keep your food fresh, safe, and delicious. It's time to upgrade to the Seacrest 10-pack. Imagine this: crystal clear, durable glass that never stains or holds on to odors. Your vibrant salad looks just as good as it tastes, and yesterday's curry won't haunt tomorrow's chicken. The magic is in the details. Each container comes with a smart locking, airtight lid. That's the sound of confidence. No more spills in your lunch bag, No more air getting in and spoiling your food. Your meals stay fresh and protected from your fridge to your office. With a full 10-pack, you have a complete system for a week's worth of lunches, dinners, and leftovers. It's organization simplified. Upgrade your kitchen and simplify your life. Search for Seacrest glass meal prep containers on Amazon today.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe at my channel.